We at Growing Chefs Ontario believe that food has the power to bring people together. Growing, cooking, and eating food can teach us about each other and the rich history of those who came before us. Our aim is to celebrate those stories while working to build a more equitable and just food system. We work to achieve this through our programming, operations, and governance by means of appreciating and not appropriating the value of all foods, educating ourselves and our community on the history behind ingredients, recipes, and food traditions, recognizing the inequity, colonialism, and systemic racism that's embedded throughout our food systems, and continually working to create a sustainable, anti-racist food future. And by using our platform to amplify the voices of those with lived experiences and histories to tell their own stories through food. We appreciate the opportunity to have an open dialogue with our community and appreciate any comments or concerns you share with us on this path to a sustainable, equitable, and just food system.